also Daddy's back button video. And today, we're gonna be showing you, please, okay, you guys, please subscribe to my channel, please. And, today, I'm gonna show you how to get, this back button number. You see Roblox Creator Challenge, you go in there, so you complete all the challenges, and then you get that for like 2 days. You have to wait 2 days or something. But don't get mad, but you will get it soon, because I got it. So yeah, and here is like a other one. I think that might get it into like 2 days or something. Yeah, like Roblox Creator Challenges. You put that here, and then boom, it goes right in there. So please subscribe to my channel, and I hope you do. Oh, and so you guys want to join our group? Yeah, I have a group too. Like, not this one. This one. This is my group. This is my group. So you want to join? You can. And I will always be talking to you. So please, and see you.